I love stickers. Even though I have nothing to put them on, I still think they're awesome. So today, I'm going to be making a few of my own. I got some really good ideas, and I can't wait to get started. I'll be doing a proper sketch on paper, then transferring it to the computer. Let's get started.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
These are looking sick. Now I just gotta scan them into the computer. But first, nice.
It's nighttime in a kitchen just like yours. All is quiet. Or is it? The North American house hippo is found throughout Canada and the eastern United States.
That looked really real.
done. Mostly. Before the grand reveal, I gotta get these actually printed. They're here. It's finally time to see how they turned out. Ooh, yeah. This was a lot of fun to make, and I will definitely be expanding on some of these drawings in future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and have a good one. Peace.